Hey everybody, I'm so excited to show you this brand new box full of books from Usborne Books and More. I joined as a consultant and I want to show you what you get in the $99 kit. Okay, first up is our Touch and Feel series. This is called That's Not My Narwhal. Kids love it. Even my 5-year-old still loves that. This are postcards that your little one can color in and send to friends and family. Super cute, great way to keep communicating with everybody during this time. Then we have Usborne First Experiences, and these graphics, these illustrations are so beautiful. The first of this series that we have here is Going to the Dentist, and it takes a family and it tells all about everybody. And then this one is Going to the Doctor and what to expect. So if you have some little ones, maybe 3 or 4, getting ready to go see the dentist and or have any fears about going to the doctor, this would be a great book, and the graphics are amazing. Then the next book I'm going to show you is a book, it says Count With Me, and it's really cool. It's a board book, so very sturdy for little babies. But what's cool about this is you can remove the panels of numbers and you can put them by your little one. And it says today I'm 1 month or 2 months or 3 months, all the way up to the 12 months, 1 year. And so that was really cute. The graphics, again, illustrations are so cute. But this would be great to set by your little one when you're taking their month-old pictures. Then the next one I want to show you is our astronaut sticker book. These are really cool for your little ones that love stickers. So it goes through here and talks a little bit about astronauts and their jobs and different training they have to do to become an astronaut. And then the kids can go through and sticker the pages, and just really fun facts and all about astronauts. So that one's really cool too. Then the next one I'll show you is What If Feelings. These are newer to us and they are so great. I have a video of me reading one to Hendrix and just how he repeats what I'm saying, and just by looking at the faces and the feelings, he already knows, and it kind of tells your little one what to do if they are feeling sad or what to do if they're feeling angry. Then this was very popular with my kids. It's called Don't Tickle the Hippo, and there's a a little switch on the back that actually turns off the noises, so it doesn't accidentally go off in the middle of the night, but you just touch around the soft parts of the animals and they make their squawk, or if it's the hippo, their call, and it's really cool. And at the end you push a button and it does all of them at the same time. The kids, of course, love those interactive books. And then we have our magic painting books. These are so fun. I love to do them. But basically, you dip the little paint brush in water and you draw over all the different scenes. And the colors in these books are amazing. They are so fun. They'll keep your little ones entertained for a long time. Then what we have next, this is our Usborne catalog. And then we have, this one was amazing, Greek Myths, the Usborne book of Greek myths. So this is a very thick book with a flexible binder, and it is probably for your older readers, 8 and up. Maverick is almost 9, and he's really interested in this book. He does like that it still has pictures, though, once in a while. But some really good Greek mythology books in this one, if anybody's interested in that. Then what we have next is Raccoon to the Moon. So these books are our Usborne Phonics books. It helps your little ones learn to read. It's based on the sounds of the words. And so this one, the illustrations, I love, one of my favorites. But this Raccoon on the Moon, you can also buy these in a series if you're interested. Next we have the Mind Your Manners book. This is so sweet and cute. It basically uses animals and talks about, being quiet, and how to be a good friend, and a lot about, what's kind of right and wrong, but in a very cute, fun way for kids. So that is Mind Your Manners. Super cute. And then we have the most famous that I can think of is Nibbles. When my son was 7, he did a book report on this book, and they had to paint a pumpkin to look like their character, and he did, and it was so cute. I'll attach a photo. But this is such an entertaining book to read. It has these little books inside of the book. I've never seen anything like this, and the monster just goes through all the books and chews and makes them his own stories. Super cute, and there is a series of that now. This is fun. This is called Rainy Day Activities, and it just has activities for your little ones to do if it's wet and soggy outside and they need to stay inside and they're bored and you don't want them on the iPad or electronics. This has lots of puzzles and lots of fun things to do. Then this one's really cool too. This is called Monsieur Roscoe on Vacation. Now this comes in 2 versions. It comes in a French version and a Spanish version, but you can see right here, everything is in both English, and then the little items throughout the story, like right here it says La Home or different things. I don't know if I'm pronouncing it right, but that is super cute. And that is our oh, sorry, I forgot one more. This is a Stargazer's journal. It's a journal where you're preteen or older school-age kid could write in their journals. It has different activities they could also do, just something for them to do, write down their feelings and what their thoughts are, and that's it. So thank you so much. This is the brand new box, September 25th. I got this 2020. And those are the books I received, definitely over $270 value. I paid $99 and got an awesome deal. Okay, if you'd like to sign up, just message me, Natalie, Independent Consultant, for Usborne Books and More.